Hi, I'm Carolina here with Sue today. Here, just our floors done by Express Flooring. How are you doing today, Sue?
Hi, I'm doing very well. Thank you very much. Very pleased with the flooring.
Great.
The installers were extremely clean. There's very little dust. They took out the tile with very little dust. Because I have asthma.
Right.
And I was looking at moving out for 3 or 4 days. And
Oh,
that wasn't
that's so
the case
great.
at all. We got to stay here overnight.
Oh, good.
But they did a fantastic job. They even did the ceiling at the bottom of the baseboards. Perfect. They did wondered what they were doing with a nail gun. They were putting the border underneath the cabinets.
Oh, yeah.
But they did a beautiful job.
Oh,
Completely
great.
changed my house. But they're
Great.
clean, professional. I'm very pleased. I would recommend Express Flooring.
Oh, wow. Well, thank you so much. And also, I wanted to ask, did your design consultant help with the color picking?
Yes.
Oh, good.
She
Good.
was spectacular. She was the reason she sold us right then.
Oh, that's super amazing. Well, thank you so much, Sue, for taking your time with me today. And you have a great day, okay?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.